Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, we will make a delicious dessert that is driving the world crazy. It is very simple to make, so let's get to it. We beat 2 whole eggs along with vanilla flavored sugar, plain sugar, and a pinch of salt. We give it a good whisk, and then we add the baking powder. We incorporate it well, and we continue by adding the sunflower oil. We mix it until we get a smooth liquid, then we add the plain flour. We will mix it with a spatula, and when it becomes hard to mix, we continue by hand. When our dough is ready, we cut off 1/3 of it and we put it in the freezer. We will need it later. While our dough rests, we caramelize some sugar. If you want to know the exact amounts of the ingredients, let us know in the comments below. When the sugar is caramelized, we add some sliced bananas. We give it a good mix, and we add some butter along with a squeeze of lemon. Last, we add some crushed walnuts for extra crunch. We will use a pie dish, and we mold our dough gently to cover the inside of it. You can use a rolling pin if you don't want to stretch it by hand. When done, we coat our dough with a good quality chocolate spread. Next, we add the caramelized bananas. Last step, we take our dough from the freezer and we grate it on top. We will bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for roughly 35 to 40 minutes until the crust is golden brown. Our pie is ready. It has an amazing crust with a creamy and delicious filling. We simply love it. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you on the next one.